So we saw a video on Facebook that my friend shared, and it shows how a kid can get out of zip ties in under a minute, it said. So we're going to time this and see if Jaden, can you show us how you can't get out of that zip tie? Can you slip your hands out?
Okay, I can't. That just
don't hurt yourself. All right, go ahead and get out of the zip tie. Hold on, I'm going to wait at 30 seconds, and then we'll tell you go. And then I want to see if you can do it. 2, 1, go. Go ahead, buddy. Let's see if you can save yourself. You gotta loop it through. Loop it through. Nope, you gotta loop it through the zip tie first.
Oh yeah. Oh, that's
one side through the zip tie. Yep.
Oh, the girl makes it look way easier.
Yep. You can pull it with your teeth too if you want.
Oh, my teeth. Yeah, that's how she do. Where I've walked like through tons of mud. It's for life. So. Okay, I'm not that mobile.
You can do it, buddy.
And mostly I can't do it because I'm freaking.
We're almost at 1 minute now.
Are you serious?
1 minute right now. Good. Now you got it through. Now tie it to the other end. Push it through the other way, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah, I think the other way would work better.
Okay, let's go ahead and do it, buddy.
Yeah, definitely this way.
Jaden, this is his absolute first time trying this, and we had just seen the video, so.
How? We have scissors on hand in case I get too paranoid.
In case you get panicky on me, yeah. I don't want you to be scared. Okay, lift that foot up over so you can tie it, buddy.
There we go.
Yes, now you gotta tie it to that one.
Which is gonna be sort of easier.
Just tie it as a knot, babe.
I gotta.
Move your foot closer so you don't pull it through your hands, you know?
Where's my lace?
It's in your hand.
I know it's in my hand. Now I lost, now it's really starved.
Well, Jaden, they made it look really easy, so I'm wondering if they had a lot of practice or not.
Now it hurts me.
Go ahead, buddy, you can do it. I want to see how long it takes for a normal person who's never ever done it before. So I know you can do it, buddy.
And actually, in real life, there'd be no sound, there'd be no one talking. My hands are so red. Man, that's so red.
Now you're at 2 minutes.
Okay.
All right, just letting you know, buddy.
They had it a bit looser in the video.
No, if somebody's going to zip tie you, they're going to put it tight, buddy.
Why do they even create zip ties? Just to jail people?
No.
Ugh. Man, this is painful now.
You can do it, buddy.
It hurts.
You can do it, buddy. Hurry up and get it done, because it only takes a couple of times for it to come off, right? You can do it, bud. I just wanted to see how realistic that video was. And maybe the second time around you'll be much faster or something.
Yeah.
There you go, babe. There you go, buddy. There you go. Now keep your feet right together so you don't drop it this time. Tighten a nice knot, babe. You can do it. Make sure it's tied nice and tight.
Okay. Oh. body wants to pull my hands out,
I know.
but my body can't.
Coming up on 4 minutes now. You're doing a good job, buddy.
I can't get that part.
Come on, just tie it. All you gotta do is loop it over and pull.
Wait, ow. Wait.
Make it a knot.
I can get closer. Ah! Ow, ow, ow.
You can do it. This is really good to know, isn't it?
Yeah.
It's hard, but you should be able to do it. Hope somebody don't drive by and see you zip tied in the yard. Call the police on us. Holy cow. That would not be good, would it?
Well, it was actually a cop car.
That
Oh,
would
dang,
not
I
be
lost
good.
it.
Come on, buddy. Keep going. You can do it. We're coming up on 5 minutes. Sorry, 6 minutes.
Hey, look. Oh.
Yeah, but you that only works if it's through the zip tie. Get to the zip tie and then tell me, hey, look.
I wouldn't be laughing if this was a real situation.
That's right. You wouldn't be laughing. It'd be very terrifying. But I know you can do this, buddy. I have faith in you. And Daddy has faith in you. Right, Daddy? Right, Daddy?
That doesn't help. Ow, ow, ow.
Maybe you need to untie your shoelace a little bit to make it longer.
What? Why did you?
Because it's not up to me. It's supposed to be you.
That was really
Take several loops out. Take several loops out. And that'll help you.
Okay, there. Now that's a comfortable position.
There you go. Make it nice and long, buddy. You can even tie it together on the same shoe once you do that.
Why didn't you tell me?
Because
That's what I was thinking.
I showed you the video, buddy.
Well, I didn't really get to look descriptively.
All right, now slide that through and tie that knot together, and then you got it, right?
Yep. Now it should be easy. Look at the big gap.
Yeah, I know. Nice big long string now, huh?
And yeah.
You can do it, buddy.
Don't people looking.
There you go. Now tie it in a knot.
Ah, I'm gonna get it. I'm gonna get it, Mom. I'm gonna get it, and I know it.
Yep, and then slide it around to the other side so it's on the bottom.
What?
Then you want to slide the loop around so it's on the bottom.
Okay.
Oh, you're supposed to pedal your feet like this, so maybe it won't work.
I know.
Oh.
I know. That's what I'm saying.
Oops. You have to tie it to the other one. Tie it to the other one, baby. Because remember you have to pull like this. Yeah, leave that one in there. Leave that one in there. Just drop the one in your left hand. Sorry, I'm just trying to remember the video.
I can't drop it.
There you go. Now tie that one to the other shoe. If you need to make it longer, make it longer.
That's what I'm gonna do.
There you go. Use that now.
Oh wait. Oh.
There you go, buddy.
Slow.
You can be slow all you want as long as you can get out. Getting out's a lot better than never getting out, huh?
Yes.
I think this is a very good tool that all kids should know.
Look. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay. My shoulders are hurting as soon as
It's
I'm
okay.
back together.
Sometimes you have to endure a little bit of pain to have the results you want, right?
Yes. Okay.
There you go. Now you have to kick your feet, right? Remember, you're using the string.
I did the wrong
Way
side.
out. Way out.
Oh, there we go.
Yep, there you go. Keep going, buddy.
I got it.
Oh, how cool is that,
Look,
Jaden?
it's so hot.
It's still hot?
Yeah, it's hot.
How cool is that,
I'll
huh?
do it again. Give me another one.
Do you think you could be better this time?
Yeah.
Because it took you 9.5 minutes.
Come on, Dad. Give me another one. Yeah.
All right. Good job, buddy. Lace your shoe back up to normal and we'll time you.
I really,
I love you.
love you too.
You can untie that,
I
babe.
need girly nails.
I'll help you untie it. All right, good job. I love you.
Love you too.
All right, I'm going to take a picture. Show me. Show me it.
I was not expecting that to work.
Look at me. Show me. Good job. Bye-bye, buddy.